Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I look dark, I feel dark, but we are here now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a new advent calendar. This one is from Carolina Herrera. It's the first time I've seen them having an advent calendar. I've never seen one before from them. So this is a 12-day advent calendar from Carolina Herrera. So I thought let's just open it on camera and I can share with you guys what's on here. So it's 12 days. I'm not gonna waste any time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video and comment down below. And yeah, let's get into it. So day number 1 is right here. Oh, okay, so day number 1 is CH. Come out then. Day number 1 is the CHEDT from them. I remember trying this. It's a double. What? Why can't they just give us sprays? I'm not understanding. I remember wearing this one day. It has a very sweet opening with a blast of citrus. This has the notes of bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, praline, sandalwood. I remember trying this like sometime, like almost a year ago, if I'm not mistaken, and I was overwhelmed because they say there's so much going on with this scent. There's too many notes going on. I find that the citrus notes and the patchouli really dominating this scent. The scent is really like the patchouli and the citrus is they're like, yeah, they're dominating on here and they're making this scent fresh and powdery. It's a strong like of this scent, but it's not a love. That's why I don't even own this Carolina Herrera one. So day number 2. Where is day number 2? Can anyone point out day number 2 for me? Yeah, it's right here. Oh, it's the VIP rose. They don't come out easily, do they? Okay, so where is the door? Okay, yeah, this is the VIP rose. Very clean and rose, sparkling, light, lovely scent. I love this scent. I used to own it. Finished it, never replaced it. Now I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking of getting it again. Very nice. The notes I'm getting here is the champagne rose and the pink pepper. I love this scent. I'm definitely gonna get it, but I think it's very summery. I'm gonna get it again. I remember owning this, using it up. Let's go to day number 3. Where's day number 3? Day number 3 is right here in the corner. Oh, it's the stallion leather. That's day number 3. I swear, yes, it came out easy. Strong on leather. It's the opening that's like a really nice leather. Very intense, very strong. I do see myself wearing this. It smells really luxurious for me, and this is the 5 ml. I heard that the is dabbers only. Carolina Herrera, come on. So day number 4 is up here. Oh, this one came out easy. This is an awkward packaging. Really is awkward packaging for me. I remember someone owning this and I was like, this is the worst packaging ever. And this is the 212 Heroes. It definitely smells like a fresh pear. It's a very manly scent, very masculine, and it has cannabis. Oh, I remember was like, you sure you're not gonna get me high? I remember my boyfriend owned this scent. It smelled really good on him. Yeah, the scent is very masculine in the opening all the way to the dry down. It does have that woody base that I really like in men fragrances. So this is a weird packaging, but this is it doesn't show me. Oh yeah, it shows me at the back. It's the 7 ml. So I like the scent itself. I hate the packaging. So day number 5. Day number 5 is here. Oh, day number 5 is the Good Girl blush. No, it's the Good Girl Good Girl Glam. I love this scent. Very youthful, and I think it's number 3 on the list from the Carolina Herrera Good Girl line. So yeah, I enjoy this scent, but I think I'm glad I have it now because my sister stole my one. I had the Carolina Herrera Good Girl blush, it got stolen, and my Glam one, it got stolen. So I'm glad I have this in sample. I am planning on purchasing another one during the Black Friday that is coming up. So yeah, I love this scent. It's very beautiful. It lasts long on my skin, so I'm glad I have it for now until I purchase the other one. So day number 6. Day number 6 is the Good Girl blush. This is number 2 on the list. One of my favorite scent from Carolina Herrera. Effect. This I love. Like I said, this is my favorite. It's so elegant. It has this bergamot and the peony, the ylang ylang, and the vanilla. Such a pretty feminine romantic scent. So easy to wear, just a crowd pleaser. Mine got stolen like the Glam, but I'm glad I have it because I remember I have it on the other one. So far I'm sorted, but again I'll be purchasing this during Black Friday sales coming up. Day number 7. Day number 7 is Bad Boy Extreme. Listen, I get a lot of incense note on this scent. It dominates this scent a lot, and I also catch some sweet vanilla scent. Please bear with me 1 second. Someone is knocking at my door. So number 7 is Bad Boy Extreme. Like I was saying, I get a lot of incense note here, which dominates. It's really manly. It dominates the scent, and I get a lot of like sweet vanilla as well on there, and some chocolate. The dry down is just patchouli and vetiver, which is really nice. It takes over the whole scent, and it's just perfect for winter season. So I definitely recommend this for the guys. So if you like as well, like, try it and let me know what you guys think. So going to number 8 now. Day number 8 is a lipstick. It's a lipstick and it has a chain. It's a mini. Oh, it's a nice red lipstick. It's matte. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna put this on my car keys. Look, it's nice and tiny. I like it. It's a mini. And then day number 9, another lipstick. I am going to just yes, it's another lipstick, and it's just nude pink. I'm colorblind. Oh, I like it a lot. It's not much, this one. Yeah, I'm also gonna put this on my car keys. Love. And then day number 10 up there is quite big. Oh, day number 10 is Bad Boy EDT, which is, I cannot see how big it is. Oh, this scent, man. Oh, I love this scent. It's very masculine. It has the bergamot and the pepper, and then the transition is so unique. I get a lot of cocoa and spice. Very masculine. I love this. I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend, and I'm sure he's gonna appreciate this. So that's day number 10. Day number 11. Day number 11 is the OG, the good girl, the original good girl. Classy, elegant, sophisticated. What can I say? This scent is a beautiful, it's a masterpiece. Nothing else to say about it. It's very popular. I love the scent. It's just number one. It's my favorite on the or from this line. So last day, number 12. Oh, it's True Wood. Number 12 is True Wood. If I can get it out. Again, I remember trying this. This has I remember trying this, and I put it back on the shelf because at the time it was pricey for me. I remember catching the saffron, the osmanthus in the opening, and I still catch it now. It also has the Thailand oud and the jasmine patchouli and the musk. I love this scent. I love this scent. It dries down woody rather than woody. So I was very surprised because I thought that is gonna be an woody scent, but it became woody at the as it dries down. Very earthy and very bold, smooth, and you know, yeah, I find it quite unique as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love this fragrance calendar. I think it's 86 pounds. They're all minis, but they are reasonable. They are decent amount, and they've got so much varieties on here. Most unisex scent. But yeah, I am glad I have this. Yeah, I'm glad I have this because so many of my favorites in there. Tell me what you guys think about the scent, but the advent calendar. Do you like it? Do you not? If you like it, tell me why. If you don't, tell me why. I'm interested. And also your scent of the day. So I've been wearing Laura Mercier vanilla. That, let me show you. Yeah, this is the scent that I've been wearing today. Is the Laura Mercier Ambre Vanilla. Love this scent. I want to put more of it again. Beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.